Next, we're going to try and improve the sound. So there's a few things. We'll go back to edit. Lay it back out how we had it before. A bit more space. You can see here straight away we've got some sound issues. The mic's dropped out here just by looking at the waveform. Okay, to see the waveform, we pull this slider down and you can see here that the waveform drops out. What we'll need to do next is take a closer look at that. Zoom in. Preview the sound. If I turn the sound back on, you can see the sound just drops away there. So what I'm going to do is there's a couple of ways I could change it. I could change it using the volume, but in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the clip there and find out where it is at the other end, minus to zoom back out again. This end where the clip starts going back up again. Here, split it there, and then what we can do to this bit is if we go back to this little tool here, right click on there, go audio gain, and it's going to tell us that it generates what the gain is for this clip. Here you can see it's a minus 13 dB. If we look at over here where it's the waveform is at the size shape we want, you can see the audio gain, see the amplification is at 0. We want something around that's not quite 0, just below, so we don't have it peaking out. But if we come up here to audio gain, normalize maximum peaks and set that down to -4, that'll bring us up the waveform up to similar to what is on either side. So now when we listen to it,
of course, there's the Pacific and the question of how closely related that is to Asian culture.
It's clearer. There's a few things we can do to improve the sound quality. The sound quality in this main part of the clip is already quite good. We're going to look at the front part of this video where we have sound quality from a different microphone setup. Okay, to change the in and out point, we go in and out, and just grab that one. And the two clips we're going to put on are these two here. So I'll show you how to set those up. I'll just turn them off there. Down in Effects panel, we're going to look for the vocal enhancer. Grab your clip, drag it onto the timeline waveform where you need it. Up here in the vocalizer, go to Custom Setup, go Edit, choose if it's a male or a female. Next, we're going to get the single band compressor. Again, down here. These just make the sound a bit fuller. Okay, so we'll go Edit, Custom Setup. Over here it pops up. We're using a voiceover, so that's the one we're going to use here. There's all different presets. Pick the one that's the most like what you're trying to see. And now let's play that sound without those on.
Extraordinary variety of architecture in one continent.
And then we play it again with the sound levels on. We can hear a major difference between the two. It's much fuller sound.